Guys, thanks for returning back to my channel. My name is Memiecarvel and I'm back at it with another wig review. So today's unit is brought to you by Wig Types. I'd like to say thank you guys for sending over this unit. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Hey, how you doing? I do hair, beauty, and fashion, mostly hair. So while you're at it, go ahead and click the subscribe button and that notification bell so you guys don't miss any more of my uploads in the future. Alright you guys, so today I'm reviewing Sensational Shear Muse Red Krush Lace Front Wig SALISHA, and I have her in the color Ginger Red. This wig here is so gorgeous, so freaking pretty. I've been waiting for this unit to be in stock for so long, and every time this unit is in stock, I always miss it. I even check my local beauty supply store, and you guys just know that when it comes to units, like, I'm gonna stock this wig up until I get it. Like, it doesn't matter how long it takes, I'm gonna get it. And I finally got it. But this unit is super cute. Some of the features on this unit, it is a 35 inches in length. It is supposed to be a salon inspired cut and color, which I do believe so, because it has like an awesome layer towards the front. Even though it's super long, it has awesome layers towards the front. It has a pre-plucked hairline, ear to ear lace. It's super lightweight. It does include baby hair, but I did add my own baby hair. The lace was very easy to blend, and overall it's just a super gorgeous unit. I just love how this unit does come in variety of different colors of like shades of red. They have the ginger red, the carrot red, the fire red, apple red, crimson red, and wine red. Like, I want to try every little bit of this color, but I got the color that I love the most, which is the gingerish color, which is more like copperish, orangey. You guys know I love that color. But this unit with the install, you guys know my normal routine, but I know you guys like to come for me with, like, when it comes to like me flat iron my hair, like, I tend to use my hot comb a lot. So you guys will see that, because I just love my unit to be flat. I use my hot comb a lot. I use my flat iron, especially when it comes to a bone straight sleek unit. I do that a lot to make sure that it's flat and sleek. But of course, you have to remember it's still synthetic, so I'm trying to mimic that human look. So I do use my hot comb and flat iron a lot, so be prepared for those scenes. Don't come for me, but yeah, that's how I do my wigs, and you know how I do my installs. But if you don't do it like that, that's fine, but that's how I do mine. I also did use the new Red by Kiss, their lace bond spray. I do really like this spray. It's not like Ebin New York hairspray, but it mimics the Ebin New York red can spray, which is right under the black can. But after that, I just love this review overall. I love this wig, super gorgeous, very pretty, nice and long. I ended up buying another unit in that same color because I loved it so much. But I hope you guys do enjoy this review. And while you're at it, don't forget to click the subscribe button, that notification bell, so you guys don't miss any more of my uploads in the future. I also want to welcome all the new subscribers that I have been getting on my page, and these new viewers. Thank you guys for the views. Thank you guys for watching, supporting, and commenting. You know, that motivates me so much to put out more content. So please continue to motivate me. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me what you guys would like to see next. Sometimes I can't really get the unit right away, but trust me, I got so much wigs, but I'll get to it when I can. But yeah, thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much. Make sure you guys are following my social, and yeah, see you guys in the next run. from the unit being super soft, this unit is average size head friendly. Of course, this unit is only a middle part unit. Some of the pros, of course, I did mention is the colors and how sleek it is. The con, I'll say that it will tangle. It have not been tangling. I just got a few snags at the end, but it is to be expected. But I think it can last you a few wears by, you know, maintaining it. And for me, I think it could give me like a good 5 days. For me, I think it could give me a good 5 days without, you know, being too matted at the ends. So I did wanted to put that in there.